Tech TV. Experience educational television.
African Leadership Transformation, in collaboration with IPO-KNUST, organizes 6 days leadership workshop for some selected African countries, including Ghana. This leadership workshop came to a successful end on Saturday, 8th February 2020, at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology Graduate School. The representatives from universities across Africa share the values of the workshop with the world.
Okay, my name is Allwell Ogbi. I'm a journalist and fact checker from Nigeria. This leadership course is one like no other. It's been a journey of transformation for me, self-discovery. I've been really understanding what it means to be a leader with integrity and authenticity, and really to be able to intervene in situations to make the world better. I mean, this is very critical for Nigeria because I can identify that we have a leadership problem, and there are issues with integrity both in government and even in the private sector. So I see that this training has empowered me to be able to get back to Nigeria and do something about it, and at least begin a process that will get us back to having leaders who really make the difference and take the society to where it should be. So I'm very glad that I came for this training, and I'm very glad for the transformation it has brought to my life and the impact it's going to have on my country, Nigeria.
Yeah, one of the core things that we discussed during this course was that as a leader, integrity should be part of you. And your word should be your word. And you always can get back and honor your word by not being able to do the things that you said you are going to do. So I learned a lot around that. And it also makes me be aware that people always will look like, see you as a leader if you keep your word. And being transparent with your people also is another very good thing that I learned during this course. And I think I'm going to take it on to my people. In Sierra Leone, we have suffered a lot, and we need leaders like we that have gone through this course, or leaders that can go through this course. And my passion is to take this course to Sierra Leone, so other leaders can also go through it, and we can create a safe place for everybody.
Sometimes we take ourselves as people with integrity, authenticity, but actually when you go inside yourself and you dig deep, you think that there are things you need to fix before telling someone you are an authentic person or you are a person of integrity. And these things can help solve a lot of problems, be there in our private life, professional lives, and in our relationship with people around us.
It's a whole life discovering experience. And I'm purposefully saying discovering because it's not life-changing, it's a discovery process. It made me discover new ways of accessing into myself and discovering opportunities to exercise leadership effectively as my natural self-expression. So it's not only my work output it's going to change, but my future, as we now call it, the created future. So my purpose of living, my whole being is transformed, I can say.
Yeah, so this workshop to begin with is great for me because as a lecturer back home, I'm in a position of leadership, and this workshop is basically about leadership. Now, the beauty with this workshop, the training course itself, it has a different methodology altogether, because the methodology that is being emphasized here is that of living, meaning that it's ontological in nature. We're not saying that it doesn't have that element of knowledge, but the knowledge part is not really emphasized. So it's really a living course. So I'm seeing this course really to impart on my knowledge and the way I live back home, in that I emphasize in my teaching the living part of everything that I actually teach. That is the experience of the knowledge that I teach.
As you would know, South Africa, we are 25 years now into constitutional democracy. And we realize that some of the things or developmental goals that we had hoped to achieve by now, like social development, transformation of our institution within the dictates of the new constitution, we're still struggling to achieve those. For instance, there's still huge disparities between the haves and the have-nots, those who own the economy. Our economy basically is driven, 80% of our economy is driven by top 10% of the population. And that 10% happen to be white people, not the majority of South Africans as it should be. So those are huge disparities in terms of the challenges to our democracy. And the role that the university is supposed to play is to provide that kind of transformation mechanism in terms of reversing those disparities, particularly the issue of leadership within the university spaces. Because if we talk about researching community development challenges, we mean designing systems for those and coordinating those in ways that they could be impactful and sustainable.
Well, I'm based in the financial sector in South Africa. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I also have interests in entrepreneurial ventures as well. This course has been of use and of value to me because at first I used to look at leadership as a concept, as something to be studied and understood. And what this course has given me is insight on the fact that leadership is actually a way of being. It is a way in which you conduct yourself and how you allow yourself to experience the world and how you allow yourself to experience the world.
Can we change the style of leadership in Africa through African Leadership Transformation Foundation?
The value about the workshop, which I think is its main currency, is that it's groundbreaking and it's revolutionary. It's not like those workshops you'd go on and you are told what to do. That is some kind of a checklist mentality, ABCD, assuming that if you're good at that, you'll be able to solve the problem. This one challenges the whole notion of leadership as a being. In other words, as understood within each context, particularly with the basic foundations of what leadership is all about: integrity, authenticity, living for a vision that is bigger than self, and being cause in the matter. So those four basic principles, which I think they challenge any other leadership theory you could think of in terms of the available literature. So that's what becomes the currents of this course. In other words, you can't go out and claim that you are a leader if you cannot live within those foundations and actually demonstrate your own leadership competence within how you run your own life. So that is the most important thing that I learned about it when I first did it in 2018, and how I've managed now to organize a few individuals to come and join me this year.